Hello, this is CNT Cooking.
I'm Chloe, the chef.
And I'm Jaya, the voiceover. And today we are going to show you how to make a quick and easy butternut squash soup. Soup is a simple and tasty way to incorporate more vegetables and nutrients into your diet. This recipe will make 6 servings of soup and can be frozen to reheat and be eaten later on. To start, you need 4 small red onions, 2 carrots, 4 garlic cloves, a butternut squash, 16 sage leaves, 2 sprigs of rosemary, 1½ stock cubes, and an olive oil. After washing the vegetables, peel and cut the 2 carrots. Next, peel and cut the 4 onions. To cut the squash, first cut it in half, cut off the end and cut off the skin. Then, cut it open and scoop out the fiber and seeds before slicing and dicing it. Cut the garlic into small pieces, remove the rosemary leaves from the steam, and cut 16 sage leaves from the stems. To prepare the pot, pour in olive oil and turn on the heat. Once the oil has heated up, add the sage leaves to the pot. Wait for the leaves to crisp up like this before carefully removing them. Next, add the chopped onions, carrot, garlic, and rosemary into the pot. The squash will be added later. Season the vegetables with salt and pepper and stir it. Whilst waiting for the vegetable to cook, boil 2 liters of water. Add either a vegetable or a chicken stock cube into the water and stir to help it dissolve. It is now time to add the squash to the pot and pour in the stock. Wait until the water begins to boil before lowering the heat slightly and let it come to a simmer. Blend the soup as much as you would like to get your preferred consistency. The soup can now be served. With the soup that you don't want to eat right now, pour it into a container and wait for it to cool down before putting it into the freezer. We hope you enjoy the soup and have fun cooking! Thank you for watching!